Yes, welcome to my channel, Adia Sherelle. This is a ponytail from Amazon. Yes, Amazon. Go in the description right now. Go ahead and get the link. I know y'all gonna run, not walk, okay? I will be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get your thick hair into a nice sleek ponytail. All you have to do is slick it down and up and you are good to go, baby. And make sure you subscribe to the tribe. Stay tuned. Let's get into this tutorial. The key to a ponytail when you have textured hair is doing it in sections. That's exactly what I'm going to do right now. What I do is just get a little rat tail comb and make a little circle right in the top of my head, like right where I'm going to be having my ponytail. So we are going to work with this center section first, as you can see. Before I put any gel in my hair, I'm going to get the ponytail holder in. And the reason why I do this is with textured hair, it will revert really quickly. So instead, what I like to do is get the ponytail in where the hair is stretched and then apply the product like so. See how this stuff is like super thick. All right, and I'm just gonna put that right in the perimeter of this first section. Next, we're gonna put the rest of the hair into the ponytail. Then I'm also going to brush it as well. I really want to make sure it's a nice smooth ponytail. Take your next ponytail holder. And now I'll start to add the gel to slick it down. Then you want to brush it in. And take this out very quickly and then smooth it all back in, but just make it all tighter. All right, there we go. So I got my Got2b glue spray. I'm just gonna spray it all the way around. Just take my little edge brush. Make sure all the flyaways are laying down. Lay my scarf down.
I went ahead and did a co-wash with this hair. I just used some Suave conditioner that I had laying around. I wanted the curls to be a little more defined this time, and a co-wash did just that.
Okay, so I have my ponytail. I have co-washed it, and then I also used some of my leave-in. You could use any leave-in that you choose. And then I went in with a little bit of gel. Okay, and this is the end result. I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair down. Easy peasy. My little, now she a little wet and wavy. I'm gonna take this. It is a drawstring ponytail. I got this off of Amazon. I will leave the link for you guys. And as you can see, this is the drawstring function. And then it has also 2 clips on the inside. I'm just gonna put this right at the base of my little bun bun. And then I'm gonna put this other one right below the bun. Okay. And then find that drawstring and then start to pull it. Okay. You could just tuck in the drawstring underneath the ponytail. And then we are going to do our edges. Just get a little swoop-de-doop. And for my edges, I'm going in with Lock-In This is what I use for my last hairstyle, my faux locks. And this stuff works, y'all. So I'm going to use it on my edges. Okay. It is a really stiff pomade. Then I'm just going to take my Got To Be Glued spray and then just get it all the way around. And I'll let that dry a little bit, get nice and tacky, but not too much because I still want to move the edges around. You'll see. Friends, what do y'all think? This is the finished result. I actually really love this hairstyle. I can't tell you how much. Let me just give you a back view and a side view. Yes, this hairstyle was super easy to do. It's very beginner friendly, so you don't even have to worry about that. We've been putting our hair in ponytails since we were little girls. And if you know how to put the little comb in, stick it in, you are good to go. Pull that little drawstring. Y'all saw how easy it was. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Make sure you come back again. Press that subscribe button. Make sure you click on that bell so you can get the notification. Thanks for watching. Bye.